significance of the 3 circles in Sri Meru after the first avarana, what do they represent? When you look at the Sri Yantra, there are 2 ways of worshipping Sri Yantra. Srushti Krama, Samhara Krama. Most of us, we worship in the Samhara Krama, from the world, the created world, which is represented by the Bhupura Tripura square. You go to the source, Bindu. A Bindu has got every mathematical figure, a square, rectangle, parabola, pentagon, hexagon, nonagon, octagon. Everything is there in the Bindu. Maybe it's not visible, like transparent. So that's the source. Source is Purnamadaha. Everything is there, but you cannot identify that. Like the DNA, you know, they say the culture, everything comes from DNA. I don't know the subject, but the same way, when you go from outside to inside, outside, the second, between the first avarana and second avarana, the circles represents Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti. The outermost circle represents the waking state. That's where we are. Then we go to the dream state. Then we go to the sleep state, Sushupti. So these 3 states of mind will be fluctuating. That's why first avarana is related to the feet of your body. Second avarana is related to the waistline. And the third avarana, Mooladhara, fourth avarana, Swadhisthana, fifth avarana, Manipura, only from 7th, 8th, 9th. Those avaranas are the Upasana. This rest of the avarana, when you are doing Upasana, you're cleansing yourself. So, what do they represent? Outer world is so attractive and you will be carried away. Many people say, Guruji, I'm not able to recite mantra. I'm very busy. Morning, I have to rush to the work. This is getting carried away. Then, out of the grace, by the grace of the 28 deities, what are they? Who are they? The 10 Siddhi Devata. Anima Siddhe, Legima Siddhe, Garima Siddhe. Then the 8 Matruka Devata. Brahmi, Maheshwari. These are the energies which take care of you. The moment you get the Sri Yantra, they'll be on the duty. So this person has sincerely got a Sri Yantra to understand and realize the Goddess Mother in him or her. So all these energies will be eager to help this Upasaka. So they give the energy. So Matruka, then Mudra Devata. Sarva Sanshobhani, Sarvidramani, Sarvakashani, they make you speak silently. What is speaking silently? When you are in love with somebody, you don't speak. Have you ever gone to a park with your partner? After marriage, silence is gone, only the speech. But before marriage, if you happen to go to a park with your partner, fortunately I have gone, that's why I'm able to say, you don't talk, you just look. That is speaking silently. That is a mudra. And you express the joy there, ananda. When you speak, you express your opinion, you express your knowledge, you express your agony, hurt. But for joy, it doesn't require any language. It doesn't require any syllable. You know what? And she knows that I love her. Silence is the best communication. So, the mudra devatas make you silently communicate with thyself. Then it starts meditation. Jagrata Avastha, then you try to see the Goddess Mother to some extent in each and everything around you. Swapna Avastha, the one who has got the sadhana, even the dreams also, like visions, he'll be seeing celestial figures and rishis, saints coming and talking to him. All the video conferences will be going in the dream. Whatever we have, the QA session will be happening in the dream. Then comes the sushupti, the sleep state. That's where that person enjoys the bliss. After crossing this, then when the three states are in union, that means the subject, that means the upasaka, is all the same in Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti. If you are in a sleepy mode, how will it be? But the person who is doing an upasana will be always in a sleepy mood, but he is well awake. I don't know how to express that. He is very energetic, but inside he is tranquil with bliss. So eyes will be going backwards always. You see a person like that? That three states of consciousness, awareness are represented by the... So even though avaranas are given importance, these three circles are also very important. That's why when you worship Sri Yantra, it's a complete package. You worship everything. You worship your awareness so that you can have the equal joy or equal stable mind or stable awareness in all the three states of existence: waking, Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti Avastha.